This is stock number 18694, a 2006 Ford F350 crew cab short box single rear wheel. This truck has a 6.0 liter power stroke diesel, and from this video you'll be able to tell that this truck is extremely clean all the way around. Brand new Goodyear Wrangler tires with all the tread left, 20-inch polished aluminum rims. See, there's no major dents or dings in the front bumper. Factory fog lights, bug shield. Down this side of the truck you can see just how glass-like the paint is, how clean the body is. We take these videos so if you're far away or even close by, you can see the truck, hear the truck, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're purchasing before you even get here. Two-tone paint scheme, which is special for the King Ranch package and the Lariat packages. See the frame, despite having 88,000 miles, is very clean. The body and frame all the way underneath is very clean as well. The skid plates, which you get with the FX4 off-road suspension package. See the rear bumper, fairly clean. Reverse sensors, locking tailgate, a nice truck cap, Line-X spray and bed liner. Down this side of the truck, see, it's very clean as well. Inside you have the King Ranch package, which gives you the dual power heated King Ranch brown leather seats. You can see these are very nicely aged, very nicely weathered. King Ranch floor mats, you can see the carpeting is very clean, no rips, tears, or stains. This truck has 88,575 miles. 6-disc CD changer, tow command, 4 upfitter switches, turn dial 4-wheel drive, power sliding rear window, power pedals, power windows, power locks, telescopic tow mirrors with the built-in directional signals. You can see the back seats. Very clean as well. These seats fold up. There's a steel load floor for extra storage, or if you have small kids. Start it up, take a quick look under the hood. See, the engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. And to see more pictures of this truck or one of our other 380 trucks and SUVs in a lot, go to our website, www.lenzauto.com.